14. Which Saviour? What is it that most men desire, dream about and long for? The answer's easy. Wealth. How to get rich quick schemes, books and ideas usually have an eager market. But what is it that most men dislike most readily and try to destroy whenever possible by law or by fraud? The answer is again easy. Wealth in others. The key to this ugly situation wherein men desire wealth for themselves, yet resent it in others, is sin. Men want the wealth for sinful, not godly reasons. As a result, when they have it, they are ugly, greedy, selfish and heedless of God and man. Similarly, when they don't have it, they are also ugly, greedy, selfish and heedless of God and man. The viciousness of sinful man is neither improved nor abated by being either rich or poor. The answer is thus neither economic betterment, which cannot make a good man out of a bad one, nor economic levelling, because poverty cannot better character, only God can. But since God isn't the answer men want, they can't avoid the alternative. Either a society is established on godly faith and morality, or it's established on sin. Yesterday a friend sent me some clippings from his hometown in the East. Before World War II, this town of 9,500, mostly made up of poor working people, had only 2 police officers, and one of them was hired by the railroad to police the railroad shops. The 2 policemen had nothing to do. Real crime was unknown and most people were churchgoers. Today, the old faith is gone, and hoodlums have made this small city an ugly place to live in. Federal funds are now being allocated to rehabilitate the people in the city, as though the federal officials can be man's saviour. The issue's clear-cut. Either some agency of man or some branch of civil government is man's saviour, or Jesus Christ is. If it is man or the federal government, we had better turn over our lives to them and be saved. If Jesus Christ is alone our saviour, how then can we dare look for salvation from any other? How can we presume to commit ourselves to any other plan of salvation without his condemnation?